What is happening, guys? Mike here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we got something very cool. At least I think it's very cool. We're doing another Peaky Blinders inspired video. A lot of you guys watched the last one that we did here on the channel and it got quite a bit of response, which was awesome, I thought, because I'm a big fan of the style, I'm a big fan of the show, I'm a big fan of everything in this regard. And so when I got the opportunity through a new brand that we're going to talk about today, True Clothing, they contacted me and offered me the chance to use their brand to create another Peaky Blinders inspired video. I jumped at it. I thought it was really awesome because everything is in one place. Everything is offered by the one brand. If you remember from the last video that we did on this subject, I kind of had to pull things from different places. I had to piece it together, and the first thing that I noticed here was that they had pretty much everything on one site to create the look, and that is something that a lot of you even asked me about. Where can I get the collar? Where can I get the shirt? You know, I can't find it, it's out, or you know, whatever. You're gonna be able to get it all in one spot. I was super excited about this, in case you can't tell. I was really excited because I knew that it was going to transfer well over to you guys, because I know there's a lot of you out there that love the style as much as I do, and you don't like the hunt. So that's what we're going to do here today. We are going to attempt to piece together a Peaky Blinders inspired look using only items found at the True Clothing website. Now, I guess we should probably start with what the heck is trueclothing.com. This is a brand. They're not just some random brand. This is actually a clothing brand from the UK. I think that also, in regards to the Peaky Blinders thing, I think the fact that they're in the UK kind of just lends a little bit of authenticity to the whole thing. You know, can you imagine buying a Peaky Blinders look from someplace in Alabama? I mean, it just wouldn't make any sort of sense to me. So they are from the UK and they offer a lot of different stuff. They actually have a bunch of suits unrelated to Peaky Blinders, and then I think that they kind of caught on to it like the rest of us did. You know, tweed suits are really popular based on the show. They brought them back. This era of fashion for men is really making a comeback. And so let's take a look at their site here. When you go to their site, they've actually made it extremely easy. You can, you know, choose anything you want. You can go to men if you're looking for tweed suits, wedding suits, you can look at all that there. But if you notice, right there in the middle, Peaky Blinders clothing. They've made it extremely easy. So if we just click on that here, we can see that we've got suits, overcoats, hats, waistcoats, trousers, all hand selected by the brand for people that are looking for Peaky Blinders outfits. And basically what I've done here to try to give us some kind of inspiration to tie to, I chose a couple of items to try and recreate a classic Tommy Shelby inspired look. Now, of course, I'm not going to get it exact. That's why it's, you know, inspired, but all the items, with the exception of boots, which I believe they were out of my size, unfortunately, but everything else is coming from this site in the Peaky Blinders section of their site. Now, the first thing that I want to talk about and to show you here is the shirts. Now, this is a big deal here, the shirts, because as you guys already know, the shirt in this case is just as important as the suit. It can really make or break the entire outfit, or it can change the entire thing. And they do here have those traditional collarless shirts, the ones that you guys really enjoyed. And on top of that, with each shirt, they actually include a removable collar, which is a big deal because when we did the last video, I got dozens of people asking me where they could buy the collar. And for me, when I did that video, I actually had to buy the collar separately, and it really wasn't cheap. So the fact that you can come here, not only get a shirt, but choose the color, you can, you know, get everything, including the collar, all in one for roughly, what is it, $28.99 British pounds, which I think is like 36 something US dollars. That's a great deal. That's seriously a great deal. Now you guys hopefully know why I was so excited to do this. But next, it's all about picking and choosing the items to go with. You can look here, all the suits that they have are nice tweed suits. They all fit the time period and the theme really well. They have all different types of colors, and as you can see, they aren't ungodly expensive either. Now though, let's transfer back over to our inspiration and go over the parts of the suit that we need in order to recreate this look. And when you actually break all this down, there's not too many pieces that we actually need to get. We can see here that of course we need a hat. We need the suit, of course, the gray colored suit, and then it's just a white shirt with a black tie, and then the overcoat that really brings it together, and the gloves. And like I said, all of these items are found right here on the True Clothing site. Now for the suit, which is probably the most important part, I went with a gray one like the one we saw in the photo, and again, they are tweed suits, and when you buy the suit, it actually comes with pants, waistcoat, and jacket. It comes with all of it in one pack. Now I actually, for the sizing, I ordered my standard suit size. I went off my just regular jacket size, and it actually came in fitting really nicely and didn't require any additional tailoring, which was something that I really appreciated. For the shirt, I went just this standard white shirt like we saw in the photo there, and their shirts actually go off standard small, medium, large sizes like regular shirts, and it came in fitting just fine as well. It wasn't too long. The arms were actually quite nice. And on top of that, I actually chose a second shirt so I can offer up a second look as well, but again, they come with the removable collar, and on top of that, it actually comes with that stud sewn into the collar, which is something that I had to buy separately last time, so that's value in itself in my eyes. Now, on top of the actual suit items, you can order accessories to customize your look even further, and so of course I did that as well. I did it with a pocket watch that comes with a chain there, and actually at the end of the video here, I'm going to show you guys how you can get one of these for free with your order. Of course, we also had to get the gloves, which did come in a bit large if I'm being honest, but really it wasn't the biggest deal. I kind of have small hands anyway. So let's put all this together though, and we can get our first look at how this outfit turned out.
And the bleak midwinter.
Okay, so hopefully you guys really enjoyed it. I actually love the way it came out, but let's change it up a bit. I did get one more shirt because I wanted to do a second look here and show you guys how easy it was just to change one little thing like a shirt and use the same suit to now have a second overall outfit. So we got this new shirt. Here's the inspiration behind the shirt. Actually, this is what gave me the idea. You can see here that it's the same kind of gray suit. We got kind of a similar color scheme going on there. So I decided to try out that pinstriped blue shirt that you see there, and I grabbed that. It was a great choice, I think, and we can see here just by switching that out and keeping everything else the same, we got a very different look, but it's just as established as the first look. That blue really just pops out with the gray. I just am totally in love with this outfit right now. Now, a minute ago, I did mention that you can get one of these pocket watches for free. That's being offered by the brand to you guys as my subscribers. All you have to do is have a minimum order of 30 British pounds or more, which is approximately 38 bucks US dollars, and that's your minimum order. So pretty much if you order a suit, you're gonna get one of these free because it's over 30 bucks. And you do need to enter a code in order to get this as well, though. It's modern free. I'm gonna put that in the description there. And so they are offering this free to you guys, which I thought was pretty cool. I mean, it is a fully functional watch, and it just looks, you know, looks really nice with the suit. It's got the nice chain there. And I just thought it was a pretty cool little perk that they decided to throw in there. But in the end here, the things I really liked about this site and this brand had to do with selection and price. They had a lot of items to choose from for this category, for this theme, I guess, and they weren't really expensive at all. Very affordable, I'd say, actually. And then the fit came in spot on. I didn't have to spend any extra cash on tailoring. That was something that I had to do last time, especially for my pants. And once again, everything just came in fitting really nicely, and for me that doesn't happen all the time, so I wanted to make sure I mentioned that. And again, everything available in one place, no more hunting down different items to kind of piece this together from different sources. It's all there. I just really am excited about that, and I'm excited to share that with you guys. And if you'd like to check out True Clothing, I will link everything that I showcased here, all the suit items that I showed you today, in the description, along with that coupon code to get you the free watch if you're interested interested, I will put that all in the description for you to check out. And if you enjoyed today's video, hit that thumbs up for me and let me know in the comment section which outfit you liked better. I think personally the one with the blue shirt might be my favorite, but I pretty much enjoyed everything from today. If you haven't yet subscribed to, now would be a great time to do that as well, because I got a lot of awesome content coming your way every week. I got a lot of stuff coming out in a short period of time as well. So make sure you hit that button if you haven't already, and I thank you in advance for doing that. Take it easy. I'll see you next time.